Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Fire Stick is probably one of the most user-friendly streaming devices on the market, offering a seamless way to access your favorite content. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or a complete beginner, setting up your Fire Stick is a breeze. In this video, we'll dive deep into the setup process, ensuring you can start streaming your favorite shows and movies in no time. Number 5. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, newest model. Experience entertainment like never before. This next-generation device enhances streaming performance, optimized for your 4K TV, delivering stunning visuals. Enjoy high-quality games directly on the device with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate via cloud gaming. Stream titles like Forza Motorsport and Starfield without needing a console. Find movies easily with AI-powered Fire TV search. You can search by actor, plot, or even iconic quotes. Just use your voice to find what you want. Enjoy smooth 4K streaming, even when multiple devices are connected. This feature ensures a seamless viewing experience. Immerse yourself in vibrant 4K Ultra HD with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos audio. It brings a cinematic experience to your home. Stream over 1.8 million movies and TV episodes. Watch your favorites from Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more. Subscription fees may apply. Access over 1 million free movies and TV episodes. Enjoy content from popular ad-supported streaming apps like Fire TV channels, Prime Video, Tubi, and Pluto TV. What we like. This Fire TV Stick offers advanced 4K streaming, making your viewing experience incredibly vibrant. It also supports Wi-Fi 6, ensuring smooth streaming even with multiple devices connected. If you're looking for the best possible picture and a seamless streaming experience, especially if you have a 4K TV and a Wi-Fi 6 router, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Fire Stick works very fast and fluidly. I like how you can control the sound on the remote and how you can speak to the remote to go any app option you want. The AI-powered search makes finding shows quick and intuitive, even with limited time between resort events. Wi-Fi 6 keeps the connection strong, even when campground signals get spotty, and the 4K playback looks crisp on my compact screen. Number 4. Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite with Alexa Voice Remote. This is our most affordable Fire TV streaming stick. It offers fast streaming in Full HD. It also comes with the Alexa Voice Remote Lite. It's easy to get started. You can stream over 300,000 free movies and TV episodes. These are available from ad-supported streaming apps. Setting up is a breeze. Just plug it in behind your TV and connect to the internet. Then you are ready to go. Use your voice to search and launch shows across multiple apps. Simply press the button and ask Alexa. It's that easy. Stream over 1.5 million movies and TV episodes. You can watch from services like Netflix, Prime Video, and Disney+. Subscription fees may apply. Watch your favorite live TV, news, and sports. You can subscribe to services like Sling TV and YouTube TV. There are many options available. Enjoy your favorite music on Amazon Music, Spotify, and Pandora. Subscription fees may apply. It offers a great listening experience. What we like. This Fire TV Stick is the most affordable option, making it a great entry point for streaming. It's incredibly easy to set up and comes with an Alexa Voice Remote Lite. If you're new to streaming or want a simple, budget-friendly solution, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The Fire Stick is easy to install. The picture quality is excellent. It has a great selection of apps. Number 3. Fire TV Stick, unlock and install KODI. Are you ready to take your Fire TV Stick to the next level? This guide will show you how to unlock its full potential. It's easier than you think. KODI is a fantastic media center, and it's simple to install. We'll walk you through the process step by step, and you'll be enjoying it in no time. With KODI installed, the possibilities are endless. You can stream movies, TV shows, and more. It's a whole new world of entertainment. This guide is designed for everyone, regardless of experience. The instructions are clear and concise, so you can follow along easily. Don't wait any longer to enhance your Fire TV stick experience. Follow along with this guide, and you'll be enjoying KODI in under 15 minutes. Let's get started. What we like. This guide will show you how to unlock your Fire TV stick and install KODI. It can be done in 15 minutes or less. If you are looking for more advanced features and customization options, this is the guide for you. What people say. The picture quality is excellent. The remote is very responsive. Setup was a breeze. Number 2. Fire Stick, step-by-step guide and quick tips. Today, we're diving into the world of the Fire Stick. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started and make the most of your streaming experience. First, let's get it connected. You'll plug it into your TV's HDMI port and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. It's a simple process, and we'll show you how. Once it's set up, you'll be greeted by the user-friendly interface. You can easily browse through apps, movies, and shows. The layout is designed for easy navigation. The Alexa voice remote is a game-changer. You can use your voice to search for content, control playback, and even launch apps. It makes everything so much easier. We'll also share some quick tips and tricks to enhance your experience. From customizing your settings to discovering hidden features, you'll become a Fire Stick pro in no time. Now you're ready to enjoy endless entertainment. With this device, you can stream your favorite movies, TV shows, and more. Happy streaming! What we like. This guide provides a step-by-step approach and quick tips to get the most out of your Fire Stick. It also includes the use of the Alexa voice remote. If you want to master your Fire Stick and learn all the tips and tricks, this is the guide for you. What people say. This new Fire Stick with Alexa makes watching TV and all the Fire Stick can do is fantastic. Explained everything perfectly. Good easy to understand resource when setting up Amazon Fire Stick on a TV, especially when you have absolutely no tech savvy. Number 1. Remote replacement voice control for TV. Tired of fumbling with your old remote? This replacement offers seamless voice control. It makes navigating your TV a breeze. This remote is designed to work with TV 24 and 731 models. It's also compatible with TV 7.27 series. Ensure that it fits your TV. With the built-in voice control, you can change channels, adjust the volume, and search for your favorite shows. It's that simple. Setting up this remote is quick and easy. Just follow the simple instructions, and you'll be enjoying it in no time. Upgrade your TV experience with this convenient remote. It provides a user-friendly and efficient way to control your entertainment. What we like. This is a remote replacement with voice control. It is applicable for your TV. If your original remote is broken or you want the convenience of voice control, then this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. Works perfectly, replaced old one. Easy to add to my Fire system. Was delivered properly and very easy to sync with my TV. I followed the directions on my TV and not the directions that were in the box. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.